Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Suppose you have not a Google Tag Manager access and you want to know that the business owner are set up the GA4 tracking or Facebook conversion API or server side tracking they are doing on your website or not, but you have not a access of the Google Tag Manager. So how can you find out that this business owner are set up the all tracking business owner are tracking the Google Analytics 4 or Facebook or other platform? So today I want to show you how can you find out the all tracking process by using their website. That is, you just assume that that is our website and we have not any kind of Google Tag Manager access. So how can you find out the actual thing they are set up the Google Analytics 4 or Facebook conversion API not? So you just go to their website and right click on your mouse, go to inspect and go to network. You just type the collect for the Google Analytics 4. You want to understand that the you just type the collect/collect and reload the website and the process will be running. And in the right hand side in the network section you can see that some collect data and you can find out the data tag ID. So click on it and go to the header and you can go to the first one. So you can see that our request URL is sst tracking dot our domain name. That means this website owner using the first party domain or custom domain, and you can see that they are perfectly set up the server side tracking. So and status code 2000 OK is the tracking process is good. They are receiving all data perfectly, and you can see the get, that means request method is perfectly working. And if I am go to the payload section, in the payload section you have to find out the your measurement ID. Here I have to put the dummy ID for the tracking purpose, and you have to find out each and everything from here. B means product version, that is 2 TID, GA4 measurement ID, and that is the GTM. GTM request identifier, and underscore P means the page or session random ID. You have to find out that. And GCD means you have to GTM container config hash, and CID, that is the client ID. That means they are using the client ID perfectly, and that is for the server side client ID. That is enhanced client ID for server side, and you can see that is the language and skin resolution, that is not the necessary, and you are user region or country, and all of that you have to find out. I have to all of event parameter you have to find out from here, and that is the event, that is the page view event. And if I am reload the page for, I am just to go to the another event, that is the view item event, and again I am go to the collect and payload section. You can see the all of that, and now I am go to the event, that is you can see that view item and the all the product details, that is the ID, that is a product name, that is the virtual business Google business vertical, that means that is the e-commerce business type business Google business vertical, that is the retail, and category is the new arrival, and you can see the value 30. All of event parameter you have to find out for Google Analytics 4. So I hope you understand. So now we are go for the Meta or Facebook. This website are set up the Meta or not. So I am just type the TR and reload the page. And for the Facebook, request URL is facebook.com. Method is get 200. That means the tracking process are perfectly working, and authority is facebook.com, and method is get, and that is the path. And you have to find out all of details from here. If I'm go to the payload, that is the page view event, that is the ID, and our URL, that is our product URL. And you can see the FBC, that means the server side, that means they are using the Facebook conversion API, and you can say that server side tracking because this cookie is for use for the server side FBC, and FBP therefore also for the browser side. So if I go to the product page, so yeah, in the product page we do not see the event, that is the view item event, but you have to find out the, we can see that product details here. If I go to the Google Tag Manager, that is my personal site. So if I go to the tag, look, see, I do not set up the Facebook conversion API, just I am set up the Facebook page view event. I do not set up the view item event, so that we do not find out the any event. So if I go to the another site and go to the payload, and I am go to the TR and reload the page, open any product page to see the view item event, and we are searching the TR, and it will take some time. Look, see, they are using the view content event, that means they are set up perfectly. View item, if I go to the header, they are also working the 200 OK and get method, that means the setup is perfectly working. Now I am go to the payload, and here you can see that you have to find out each and every product details, that is the contents parameter we have to use. You know that for the product ID, SKU, item price and quantity, and that is the value, and that is also the currency, content name, content category, product group, content ID. They are using perfectly each and every parameter for view content event, and they have also the pixel name here, you can see that, and FBP, but I do not find out the FBC from here because they are do not using the server side tracking. I do not know what is the business owner. I'm randomly searching the website, and I'm just auditing something. And if I'm go to the collect, because I see that I do not find out the FBC parameter, so I confirm that this website owner are set up the server side tracking or not. So you know that GA4 we are using the network and header section, and we have to search the collect. So we just type the collect and reload the page. We just go to the collect. Here you can see that our request URL, we do not find out any first party domain or custom domain for the server side tracking. So we are right, this website are do not set up the server side tracking or do not create the first party domain or custom domain. So if I am go to the payload section, and that is the page view, and they are set up the GA4 tracking, but they are do not use the server side tracking. So I hope you understand how can you audit without Google Tag Manager. Business owner or your client are set up the Google Analytics 4 or Facebook conversion API or not by using the collect and tier search method, and you can use the header for request URL, see that, and in the payload section you have to find out the all event and event parameter are perfectly set up or not. So thanks for watching this video. I think this video is helpful for you. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.